The earning method in today's video is super simple. You just have to click on a button, wait for 5 seconds, and you will be rewarded with some money. Again, you need to click on a button, wait for another 5 seconds, and you will be rewarded with some more money. Sounds interesting, right? I would like to show you my earning proof. I earned more than $50 in not less than 2 days. I will share with you my secret as well, how I managed to earn more than $50 in less than 2 days. If you don't have a PC or laptop, you don't need to worry, you can use your mobile device as well. I acquired this payment in Bitcoin and converted it to PayPal through a money exchanging website. If you want to earn more than this, do watch this video completely. These are all the best comments from the previous video. If you want to see your comment featured in my next video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Without any further delay, let's get started. Open up your browser and enter this website called Scarlet Clicks. It is a reputed website that has been functioning for multiple years. It has good ratings on Trustpilot as well. Here, there are more than 1 million users, to whom they have already paid more than $2.5 million. This is the dashboard interface. Here it says to click on an ad, earn money for that click, and you can pay out it at any time. One thing to note is that it has a minimum payout of $2, which is really a good thing. Here, you don't have PayPal option for payout. You can withdraw it to your Bitcoin wallet and convert it to your PayPal account. There are multiple videos on YouTube. You can watch them and learn how to convert it. First, you need to register on this website to start earning. Just click on this register button, and you will be asked to enter basic information, such as your name, email address, username, password, etc. You will also be asked to enter your payment information. You can enter your PayPal email address, Bitcoin wallet address, or whatever you like. After that, you complete the CAPTCHA and click on the register button. After that, you will be brought to this interface. Here you will find an option called View Ads. Click on it. Here you can find multiple offers that will pay you $1 for just waiting for 5 seconds, $2.70 for just watching an ad for 5 seconds, and $3 for watching an ad for 5 seconds. Hence, there are multiple other offers. Let me show you how it works. You just have to click on an ad and the page will be loaded in a few seconds. After that, a timer of 5 seconds will be running at the top of the page. Once it's completed, you can close the page and the earnings will be credited to your account. You don't need to register or do anything, you just click and wait for 5 seconds. You can watch all of them. These rates may depend from country to country, and you may even get higher rates than mine. I know this is not sufficient. There is another way to make money. It is called PTSU, which stands for Paid to Sign Up. As the name suggests, you just need to enter a website, enter the required details, and you will be rewarded with the amount shown. There are multiple offers here, and you can complete them one by one. There were multiple offers, which cost me up to $4 just for a sign up. There are multiple other methods to earn from this website. One of the most famous is the Scarlet Grid. Here, there are multiple pixels in this image, and each pixel carries some money if you click on it. You can earn up to $1. All you need to do is click on any pixel, wait for the timer to get completed, and then come back. That's all that needs to be done. By doing this, you can earn a lot of money. There are multiple other ways to earn money, like by completing surveys and offers like downloading an app, etc. Since you've made it this far, allow me to share my secret with you. By using it, I earned more than $50 in less than 2 days. All I did was refer to my friends and colleagues. They started working on this website, and I earned 8% of their earnings, and I also shared the referral link in Facebook groups with hashtags, by which I easily earned more than $50 without working day in and day out. That's it for today. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If it did, Then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to earn more, you can watch this video.